Hello guys, it's Valery from Sight Forex. You're with another episode of the series How to be a successful forex trader. In this video, we'll talk about the trading platforms and how you can make the most of them. The better you know the platforms, you will be able to make better analysis. We'll take a look at Tradingview, Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5 and cTrader. Let's not waste more time, let's begin. We will start with the Tradingview platform. This is an online-based trading platform and currently is the best platform for analysis. You can make everything on it. There's a lot of instruments that you can use, from the standard trend lines and horizontal lines to very useful Fibonacci tools and different patterns. Let me show you what possibilities has this platform. In the trend line tools, you have the trend lines, arrows and rays and many variations of them. You can use trend angle as well, horizontal line and ray, vertical line and a cross line. There are some other instruments such as the parallel channel, disjoint channel and others. In the Gann and Fibonacci tools, you can find the Fibonacci retracement, one of the most useful instruments. You can measure the impulse waves with it and to predict to where the retracement of the price can go. Also, there are a lot of different instruments such as pitchforks, squares and others. The next menu is for the geometric shapes, rectangles, circles, paths and others. In the text menu, you can use a lot of different types of adding text on the charts to help you not to forget what you have seen. In the prediction and measurement tools, you have positions, forecast, ranges and others. The next things are the ruler and zoom options. Very helpful to measure distance and to zoom in to see the chart closer. This magnet here is to stick the instrument you want to use, to the candle you want to. Also, you can stay in drawing mode, you can lock your instruments and hide everything you have drawn. These are the possibilities you can use for drawing on the charts. As you can see, there are a lot you can do here. The next thing is to select what currency pair you want to look. And not only this, you can select stocks, futures, crypto, indices, bonds and economy. This is very huge selection of instruments. The important thing here is that Tradingview lets you to see the chart from the big investment banks, and in this way there are less manipulations with the provided information. You can see how the price is moving in reality. Also, you can watch the selected instrument from 1 second time frame to 1 year or whatever time frame you want. The next thing is how you want the chart to look like. It can be in bars, candles and others. One of the most interesting menus here is the indicators menu. Here you can find a lot of different indicators, such as technical, financial and indicators that different forex traders have made in the community script section. You can add up to 25 indicators. Also, you can make your own indicator from the Pine editor menu. You can make your script for the indicator you want to make. Or if you can't write your own script, if you have a friend that can do it for you, better. It is very easy, it's not on MQL4. Also, you can add alerts on almost everything, on trend lines, levels and indicators. And here comes one of the most helpful and useful feature in the platform, the bar replay. Using this option, you can make back tests and go back to the selected date and to cut the chart. This way, you can see how the price was moving in real time and to test different strategy. You can replay the bars in every single time frame, 1 second, 15 minutes, 4 hour, daily and others. And you can switch the time frames while you are at this mode. The replay mode has two different types, candle by candle with a click or the play function. The candles appear one after another after a small duration of time. The next cool feature is that you can take pictures of the chart in different ways, images, links and tweet images. Also, you can make watch lists easily. You can separate them by the instruments you are watching, forex currencies, metals, crypto, indices and others. In the watch list, you can see the last changes in the price, the change in percentage and volume. Also, in Tradingview, you have economic calendar and public and private chats. You can ask other people for whatever idea you have for the market. Another thing that TradingView can make is to connect you to a broker and to enter in trades directly from here. So guys, this was for the TradingView. You can see that this platform offers a bunch of possibilities and different useful features. The platform has updates almost every week and it is getting better and easier to use. The other cool thing is that you can download it on a laptop, mobile phone and tablet, and whatever you make on each device, it automatically loads to the other device. You don't have to do it by yourself. This is the ultimate trading platform. Now, let's move on and take a look at Metatrader 4. Metatrader 4 was released in 2005. Since then, it is the most popular trading platform in the world. Before TradingView, this was the main platform to make technical analysis on. It has pretty much the same options like TradingView, but the interface is quite different. Metatrader 4 can be used with any broker. It has some good features, such as to register a virtual server, to register an account as a source of trading signals, and also the auto trading. This type of trading allows you to create expert advisor or so-called trading robots. The main purpose of these robots is to trade instead of you. If you are able to create profitable robot or to buy one, it can bring you a lot of profits and you don't have to do anything during this time. A lot of people use this platform for analysis, but the truth is in TradingView you can do more. We use Metatrader only for executing trades. There are different ways to execute trades. You can execute order right away or you can make pending order. The purpose of the pending orders is to make entry in a trade when the price reaches the right level. This way you can make trades with small stop and to use much larger volume. So this is in short what Metatrader 4 is used for. Guys, if you've missed the beginning of the series, here's the link in the top right corner. Let's move on. The next platform is Metatrader 5. It is pretty much the same as the previous platform. It has better interface, but the functions are the same. The main difference between the two platforms is that in Metatrader 5 you can see where you have entered in a particular trade, and it is much useful when you make your analysis of the trades. You can easily see all the details about the trades, so you can make your own trading journal. This journal is one of the most important things you have to do as a trader. It doesn't matter which platform you use for executing trades, it will be the same. Now, let's move on the next platform, and it is the cTrader. This platform has a lot of features and is used mostly by the professional traders because the DOM panel. This is the depth of the market feature, and there you can see where the volumes are placed. Also, this platform is used for scalping. It has the lowest spread of all, but there is a commission for every trade. These are the main difference between cTrader and Metatrader. The interface is a bit different and modern, but the way you can enter in a trade is the same. So guys, this is everything for this episode. We hope you've understood what the main trading platforms offer. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friend and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell not to miss our next video. In the bottom right corner is the link to our weekly analysis if you haven't watched it yet. This is all from us for now. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.